subscribe to Brick in the Philippines!
Hello guys, we're going to Urban.
We're going to a special birthday party.
Bring the two kids. Nobody look
Yeah,
after.
there's nobody to look after the kids, so
when we go there,
so we're probably not going to be there long.
No, when we go there, they will borrow the kids. They're gonna borrow the kids when we go there.
I've had a bit of a situation today and it's got me a little bit upset. And the reason it's got me upset is I'm a foreigner and it's to do with kids, and you've got to be really careful here. Watch, baby, watch what you're doing. Now Sander, who's Mel's sister's son, every time I walk out the house without fail,
Not only Sander.
yeah, but Sander encourages the other kids. They're pulling on my shirt, about 4 to 5 kids. Now I don't mind it normally, but just recently they've started to try and pull my shorts down. And I've been getting really upset. But the mums and dads don't see anything wrong in it.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what I can't understand. It's like, seriously? If I saw my kid doing that to an adult, he'd be in so much trouble. You know, it's just not on. But it's another situation what I've found in the Philippines is, you know, I was talking about discipline the other day and some people were disagreeing with me, saying, oh no, it's not everybody, but no, it's most. I've never had a party or been to a party where women's brought the kids and the kids aren't running riot. And again, you know, I'm not a big old fuddy-duddy. I love kids and I want to see them be kids and have a good time, but you know, where's the line? When does it stop? Baby, what are you looking at? You know, but that to me, what are you doing? He's pooping.
No.
Well, he's doing something. There has to be a line, and there doesn't appear to be a line with most of the kids here. You know, see how he's walking is.
American, it's a British.
Yeah. We still get Hey Joe. So yeah, I was pretty taken back with it because I can't talk Tagalog or Bicol. Because I can't talk Tagalog or Bicol, I can't tell them to stop. Well, I can tell them they've got a good idea, but they just won't stop. So
Let's go together there, okay? But all of a sudden, when I go to the house, it's locked, the house.
yeah, so she's obviously at the party already. I expect Joy will turn up at some point because there's free drink and food. Who else do you think will be going? There's normally quite a few go to his parties, isn't they?
Maybe later evening.
So, do you see? Oi! Do you see this on the streets in the west? Oi! Come on!
Oh yeah!
Oi! Come on!
Nice!
Come on! Careful! No, you can't play with the ball. Come on! That's too heavy as well. You grab that ball and you'll fall. Come on. Come on. My God, he's such a handful. Oi, come on. So that's a bit disappointing. We've got there and there's nothing happening, so it looks like it's going to be
Dark
later on when it's dark.
It's old.
And my camera's not going to pick anything up, guys. So anyway, getting back to the child situation, what I was saying is when you're a foreigner, you've got to be so careful when you're around children. You really have. And if something happens and somebody was to take a photograph of it, it can look very bad and you'll have a hard time explaining it. But the kids love me that much, and I'm always, you know, playing with them, messing around with them and what have you. And all these kids, by the way, watch it, babe. All these kids, by the way, I know their parents, and Sander and the other one, the girl's family anyway. But if they're not family, you've got to be so careful around them, because it only needs somebody thinking pound signs or dollar signs and you're pretty much stuffed.
Yeah.
So just be very careful when you get here. It shook me up a bit because it's the first time they've done something silly like that, or rather Sander has. We'll be having a word with his dad and his mum when they come back, because they're not there at the moment. He's going to be a basketball player because he's going to be about 6 foot when he gets bigger. But anyway, even without the birthday party, we've shown you the streets and what it's like at night time. There you go. Oi, give them the ball back now. You can't have the ball. Come on, Matthew. Matthew. Oh, for God. Oh, go on that way.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
That's all for today.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye. Come on, Dalian. Baby. Come on.
No more.
Come on. Uy. Say bye-bye. What am I going to do with you, eh? I'm going to be having a heart attack. 2 young kids and I'm nearly 58. I can't believe it.
What did you expect if you married to old woman? You expect you don't have
Oi,
a baby.
that's enough now. Come on.
But you married to younger, right?
No, 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 no. Oi,
But
come
you
on.
stop now.
Come on.
You married too young. That's why.
Yeah. You said to me it was initially it was okay, and then it all started. Well, can't we just have one baby? And then,
Paul,
yeah.
why me?
And then, for the life of me, next minute we're having another baby, and it's like, how's that? And then they're going to say, oh, come on, Chris, you know how that happened. No, it shouldn't have happened. It just should not have happened. Trust me, guys, it shouldn't have happened. Now, I keep getting asked, how safe is Naga? Naga is one of the safest places in the Philippines, statistically. But it's no different anywhere else. You use your common sense. There's certain places you wouldn't go at night on your own, just like if you were in London or wherever it is you are. There's certain places I wouldn't go, even around the places that I lived.
High five. Not high five.
Because, well, you won't do it. It's too dangerous.
But you stop now.
And like I say, that's the same. And that's the same in Naga, it's the same in wherever you are, and especially Manila. Manila is, well, it's if not the most dangerous place in the Philippines. But there's lots of foreigners prefer Manila.
Please subscribe to Brick in the Philippines.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping